Store-bought gifts are great, but there's something extra special about homemade ones. Today I'm sharing not one, but two mason jar mix recipes. They're super easy, thoughtful, and perfect for anyone on your list. Let's get started. First, pick a jar. I'm using a 32-ounce jar with a wide mouth. A funnel is helpful for layering, but if you don't have one, a rolled up sheet of paper works too. Begin with the flour as a base. Gently shake the jar to settle everything and get rid of any air gaps. Next, add cocoa powder, followed by baking powder and salt. Then comes granulated sugar, and after that, brown sugar. Press the brown sugar down gently with a spoon to keep the layers neat. For a festive touch, add holiday M&Ms and sprinkles on top for that extra holiday sparkle. And that's it. Your jar is ready to gift. To bake these brownies, the recipient will simply empty the jar into a bowl, mix in melted butter, eggs, and vanilla, and fold until smooth. And to make your gift-giving experience even easier, I've created a downloadable gift tag PDF with all the baking instructions. It's linked in the description box below. Pour the batter into a greased 8 by 8 inch pan. Sprinkle a few extra M&Ms and sprinkles on top and bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Once cool, cut these into squares and enjoy. With these bright holiday M&Ms and sprinkles and a decadent brownie base, this mason jar mix is the gift that keeps on giving. Again, I'm using a 32-ounce mason jar for those pretty layers. Start with all-purpose flour as the base. Use your makeshift funnel and give it a little shake to settle it. Then add baking soda and salt. Follow that with the brown sugar. Press it down gently with a spoon. Then add granulated sugar, pressing as you go to keep the layers looking clean. Finally, top it off with holiday M&Ms and mini chocolate chips. The colors pop so beautifully against the sugar layers. For the lucky recipient, all you'll need is softened butter, an egg, vanilla extract to bring these cookies to life. Mix the wet ingredients with the jar contents until your dough forms. If the dough feels a bit soft, just chill it for about 10 minutes. Scoop tablespoon-sized balls of dough, place them on your baking sheet, and bake at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And just like that, delicious homemade M&M cookies in under 15 minutes. And that's it. Two easy, festive, and delicious mason jar mixes, perfect for holiday gift-giving season. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And check out the description box for the printable gift tags and full recipes. Subscribe for more holiday ideas, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.